Hi guys, in the video I will talk about how we use the agents and things for help day by day. Okay, so in Agno you have the agents. This is easy every think about this, and so resonance is a new record source. In Agno is very interesting because you can improve your prompt. And my favorite feature is thing. Why thing is
Because
my
with Team you can
favorite?
use
One or more agents, like or you use the thing input thing.
and
Okay, you whole thing can help in day by day. I have a source example. The example I create some tools and some agents. I created tool for read my folders, use list files and read files. Only list and only read. Okay, and create some tools for languages, Python 2 for Python code, Golang 2 for Go code, and agents for each languages for Golang, CSS, HTML, JavaScript, Python. But I have some project and I need to improve the project or review the source. How can run this? Okay, first I have my terminal opening and I run this agent in my folder. Okay, let's run this. Then I have a project in broken Y. This is my project for nets Y and created with fine. Okay, and I need to improve this project.